Hi everyone, welcome to our 60 DevOps course. Before I start the video, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because in this channel I will show you DevOps cloud tricks. So if you subscribe to the channel, right away you can get the notification. Okay, so today is our day 42 class, where I will discuss AWS S3 and how to create bucket and how to create bucket from console and CLI both way, and also we'll make the bucket as a static website. Okay, so all steps I use in this demo, you will get it from the GitHub repository. So this is the GitHub repository. So in this class, we'll basically create a bucket first, and creating a bucket, there is two ways. Basically, we can create the bucket from the console, and we can also create the bucket by CLI. Okay, so console is the easy way. So if you click S3, so then just click create bucket. Then you can give any name. So DevOps, make sure this name is unique. So 2025/September, anything you can put, but make sure this is in unique. We don't need to change anything, just to make sure bucket name is unique. So just click the create bucket, and you can see the bucket will be created. So you can see this bucket is created. So this is the most easiest way. Same way, like after creating the bucket, you can put anything in this bucket, click the upload this or that way, and you can add a folder also, and you can also add a file also. Just drag and drop, or you can select this file. This is the most easiest way. I will show you the how to create the bucket from the console. That is the a little bit less easier than the using console. Okay, so we go to the bucket console. So here is all bucket is showing, and for creating the bucket, I put the command there. So just AWS S3 and MB for made bucket, and you give the bucket name, and you put the region where this bucket will be created. So in my case, I will creating this bucket in the US S1. Okay, so just copy this command, just paste it here, paste. Okay, just change the name a little bit different. So DevOps demo September 25. So our bucket is created. So if you want to see what is in the bucket, just put the AWS S3, then ls, then the bucket name, then it will show what is the available in this bucket. So in this bucket, this empty bucket, nothing is put there. So it will show nothing is there. So now we'll create a file. So let me create a file, echo welcome DevOps steps profile, then index.html. Now as you copy Linux from AWS, the same, just use the in Linux we just call cp source and destination of the file. So in the AWS, just the same way we can put AWS S3, then into cp, then what want to copy, so index.html, then our folder name or bucket name. So it's showing here, it's uploaded. So if you want to see this same command which we used before, so ls, AWS S3 ls, then the bucket name, now it will show the RLF file is uploaded, index.html. Same way, basically we can use this also from here. So this is our file, refresh it, you can see index.html file. Okay, now we'll make this file as a static website. So for that purpose, we need to go to the permission, and we need to first enable or disable this thing. So edit. I think this is already used before. This is not that one. I think this one. Let me check the bucket name again. So my DevOps demo. My bad. My DevOps demo bucket. My DevOps demo September 2024. This one, I think. Demo September. Okay. Oh, this is bucket. Okay. So for enable the web hosting, we need to go to the permission. So by default this will be like enable, so we need to make it disable. So we need to just click the edit button and uncheck the box, then save changes and make the confirmation. So now like go to the properties and you just scroll down and static website, you need to enable this one. So enable and put the default page index.html, hero.html. Okay, just save changes. We need to do another more thing, for go to the permission, and we need to create a bucket policy. So just edit it, and I already put a bucket policy in my documentation. Just scroll down, you can see, just copy that one, just paste it, just change your bucket name. Here is the different name. Your bucket name will get it from the here. You can see this is our bucket name, so just copy that one and paste it. Now save it. Okay, that's all for like creating a static website. So now go to the like a bucket and demo. So then properties, scroll down and static website, just click that one. You can see the welcome DevOps steps what we put in the file is showing. So now it's work as a like a static website. We can use this thing as a static website. Like any one who need static related website, they can just use S3, and S3 is the most cheapest in AWS. So this is just a simple static website hosting in AWS. In my previous like AWS playlist, there I will create a like a little bit different, which is like I create an Angular website in my local PC. Then I host in it in S3, and I also link this S3 like this domain name. I also add in my like DNS name. So like if you type any DNS name, it will like forward to this address, and you can see the website. Okay, there video I'll put in the description. So if anyone want to see this, you can check that one also. Okay, so that's all for basically today's video. And one thing, like after creating the project, you need to also delete the bucket. So for deleting the bucket, you need to make sure you need to empty that bucket first. So go to the bucket and let me click here for my DevOps steps. Select that one and make it empty first. So you need to put permanent delete. Now you can delete the bucket without empty any bucket. You are not able to delete any bucket. Okay, so for deleting a bucket, first make sure you need to empty that one. So my DevOps demo to this one. So now I can delete that bucket. So I need to copy the bucket name, delete the bucket. Okay, so you can see our bucket is deleted. So that's all for today's video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. In the next video, I will discuss in different topics of AWS. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.